Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Subaru Forester key fob. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure it has a thin tip to fit into tight spaces. You will also need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery for replacement. Finally, find a clean, well-lit area to work, which helps prevent losing small parts and ensures clear visibility. Now, let's find the access point on your key fob. Look closely along the edge of the fob where the two halves meet. You should find a small notch or indentation, often located near the key ring attachment point. This specific spot is designed to give you the perfect leverage to gently pry open the casing without causing damage. With your flathead screwdriver, gently insert the tip into the notch you just located. Apply a slight, steady pressure and twist the screwdriver. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Once open, carefully lift out the old coin cell battery. Note its orientation before removal. It's time to install the new battery. Place the fresh CR 2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly around the edges until you hear and feel them snap securely back into place. Test your key fob to ensure it works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.